Good morning, P2 students. How are you today? Today is Thursday, and it's the 30th of July, 2020. Forgot to put the 0 here. Okay, so our learning target is that I will be able to understand what the question is asking. So for this exercise, it's about electricity, things that needs electricity and things that don't need electricity. So when we say uses electricity, it are things that needs, it will work only if there's electricity, and things that doesn't need electricity, right? So here is an example of a picture. So this is a stapler, hair blower, boots, a washing machine, a TV, a glass, a laptop or computer, a brush, a hairbrush, a camera, a plant, phone, and a pen. So what you're going to do is that what you're going to do is, like, for example, the question is number 1. The following objects are objects need electricity. Electricity except 1. Here we say, so when we say all the things here needs electricity, so here we say phone, we say camera, and we say pen. Now it says the following objects need electricity. So phone needs electricity, camera needs electricity except 1. So which one does not need electricity here? It's the pen, right? So you're going to click pen, and that will be the answer. Okay, so for example, the following object needs electricity or uses electricity. Washing machine uses electricity except 1. Washing machine, TV, and glass. So which one does not use electricity? It's the glass, right? So that except means all 2 in these 3 words, except 1, meaning one of them is not, does not use electricity. Alright, so number 2, let's say number 2. Required, okay, duplicate. So number 2. Let's say the following object needs electricity except 1. So let's say, for example, hair dryer, and then we have washing machine, and then we have flower or plant. So the following objects need electricity except 1. So hair dryer needs electricity, yes. Washing machine needs electricity, yes. Does plant need electricity? No. So the 2, hair dryer and the washing machines need electricity, and plant does not need electricity. Okay, next question. Next one. Number 3. The following objects does not need electricity except 1. Except 1. Let's say plant. We'll keep the washing machine. Let's say pen. Okay. So all of these words, the following objects doesn't need electricity. So first, what we're going to do is we find the things that doesn't need electricity, right? So which of these words, pen, washing machine, plant, does not need electricity? So the following objects are things that don't need electricity, right? Except 1. So pen does not need electricity. Check. Washing machine doesn't need electricity. How about plant? Oh, sorry. Washing machine needs electricity. So the answer is washing machine, right? Because it says the following object doesn't need electricity. So pen doesn't need electricity. Plant doesn't need electricity. So except one. So washing machine needs electricity. So it's like which one does not belong. Pen needs electricity. Plant needs electricity. Washing machine needs electricity. So the answer here is washing machine. All right. Thank you so much. Have a nice day, and please answer these questions for understanding and for practice. Thank you and goodbye.